Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem an Amazon voucher gift card from your Gmail. This is a straightforward process that lets you add funds to your Amazon account balance, which you can then use for any future purchases on the platform. Let's get started. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in to the email account that received the Amazon voucher. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where the gift card was sent. Although I don't have an actual email about the Amazon voucher right now, I'll walk you through the next steps so you know exactly what to do when you receive one. Once you're in your inbox, search for the Amazon gift card email and open it. The email typically comes from Amazon directly and will have the gift card details clearly displayed. Look carefully through the email content until you find the claim code or redeem code. This is usually a combination of letters and numbers, and you'll need to copy it exactly as shown in the email. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the code when you copy it. Now, open a new tab in your browser and go to Amazon.com. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, hover your mouse over Account and Lists in the top right menu bar. From the drop-down that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. On the account page, click on Gift Cards. This section is where you manage all your gift card activity, including checking your balance and redeeming new cards. In the upper left panel, you'll see an option that says Redeem a gift card. Go ahead and click on that to proceed with adding your voucher to your account. You'll now see a field labeled Enter Claim Code. Type or paste the code you copied from the email into this field. Double-check that the code is entered correctly, as even a small mistake will prevent the redemption from working. Once you're confident the code is correct, click Apply to your balance. Amazon will process the code and add the funds to your account. Finally, check that the gift card amount now appears in your gift card balance. You should see the updated balance reflected immediately, and these funds will be available for your next purchase on Amazon. The balance will automatically apply to eligible items during checkout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.